Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the HVAC at the breaker or system switch to protect electronics and the compressor. Once done, have a small flat tool, a clean cloth, and the replacement battery, typically a CR2032 or model specified by your Nest, ready. You then grip the thermostat display and pull straight toward you. This releases the display from its base. Make sure to observe how the display detaches, and note the base orient. You now expose the battery compartment by looking at the back of the display or near the base pins depending on your Nest model. Once located, use the flat tool to gently lift any retainer clip. This frees the old battery. Remove the battery by the edge to avoid shorting contacts. Then insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Make sure the plus side aligns as marked. Avoid touching contacts with bare fingers so oils do not reduce conductivity. You finish by aligning the display with the base and snapping it back into place. Ensure it seats evenly and the clips engage. Once secure, restore power at the breaker and wait for the Nest to boot and reconnect to Wi-Fi. This verifies the battery and internal backup are functioning. If the screen remains blank or the thermostat reports low battery, make sure the battery is seated correctly, then reseat the display and recheck wiring continuity. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.